Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2019 Mini Countryman Cooper S exclusive. This car comes with the 2-litre petrol turbo engine and the automatic gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, producing 189 brake horsepower and while still returning up to 40 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 24 and this is a one owner vehicle, having covered just over 20,000 miles and comes with full service history from Mini. This stunning colour is called the Thunder Grey and looks in good condition and fair mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, a few features I can mention. You have your multimedia screen there in the centre for your Apple CarPlay, satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth. And then below that you have your air conditioning controls, as well as automatic headlights and wipers. This car from the factory had just under £2,500 worth of factory options, which included the leather seats, which are electric and also have the memory function, and we've also got the glass opening sunroof as well, so that lets in plenty of light. And finally, on the driver's door card you have your electric mirror and 4 window controls. The Countryman's got a good amount of legroom and headroom there in the back, so ideal if you're getting children in and out of car seats, for example. And the rear bench has 3 individual seat belts. And as we open the tailgate, you've got the good sized boot there, which is quite deep, with the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that's still in place. Externally, the car comes with LED daytime running lights, the 18-inch alloy wheels, and also rear parking sensors. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.